Girl, tell me where you from and girl, where you tryna go? I let her drop my top down and we just hit the road. Caught me staring at the stars while the kid was all alone. It's the Lone Star State, so I call that shit my home. Look, it sounds cliche when you say if you want it, just go and get it. I need it just like I'm fiending, I'm hoping I don't regret it. Yeah, they watching me pull up and they saying it's so poetic. How pathetic, read it on Reddit and soon to forget it. And yeah, I come from dark places, how I'm shining so bright. And yeah, I come from small spaces, tried to box in my life. And you decide the truth or lies if you can open your eyes. I called a pilot, book a flight, now shooting stars in my sight. But my mind goes blank when it's time to hit the canvas. Drink a little, smoke a lot, and I'm thinking that I can manage. Black and white like a pianist, I speak it just like it's Spanish. Foreign bitch, I'll take my chances, that visa means we can vanish.
Yeah. I done put up on the beach and you know how the fuck I go in. I done take 'em down to the sea and you know about to go.
Damn, take God like put my wham. Say motherfucker want it like that, and I'm running them back like yeah. I said bitch like slack slime. I ain't gon' fuck in your hoe. I don't really get no time. Now I'm gon' duck with your hoe like say who's that? I don't really know, but I got a feature hit go win. Like Bo Big with a bit like this. I don't know top with a big bent lead, but I'm on 10 with a man like 10. Won't no toes down, my motherfucker hold down, roll down. Like motherfucker go down, run with his hip, no time where they walk in the streets. Yeah, I pop with a clank, the took with a top, with a ball on the beat. Yeah, I got one to show, and you know it's dope, you know what I mean. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, she walk on her knees. Yeah, she suckin' my motherfucking beat. You know that I'm up when I'm clean. You know that I wash, and I fuck on your hoe. I fuck on the sheets, yeah, she walk with my team, I'm on my beam, you know that I want, you know that I mean, goddamn.